Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super useful skill, how to create eye-catching Instagram posts using Canva. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to design scroll-stopping content that you can share with your followers, whether it's for your personal page, your business, or anything in between. So let's jump right in and get started. First up, go ahead and open up Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, don't worry, it's a free design tool available right in your web browser at Canva. Just type that into your address bar and you'll land on Canva's home page. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to do that now. You can sign up really quickly if you don't have an account, and there's a free version that has more than enough features for most projects. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button that says Create a Design. Give that a click. Now in the search field that pops up, start typing Instagram post. As you type, you'll notice Canva suggests Instagram post as a size option. This is important because Instagram favors square photos, usually 1080 by 1080 pixels. So by choosing this template, your design will be perfectly formatted to look great on Instagram, with no weird cropping or cut-off edges. Now you'll be taken to the main Canva design screen. On the left-hand side, you'll see the Design tab, and this is where the real creative fun begins. You'll immediately notice a huge variety of templates for Instagram posts. These templates are professionally designed and range from bold and colorful to sleek and minimal. If you're feeling a little overwhelmed by the sheer number of choices, that's totally normal. Take a moment to scroll through and see which ones catch your eye. If you're working on something specific, like promoting a sale or sharing a quote, you can even use the search bar above the templates and enter keywords like business, quote, or fashion to narrow it down. Once you spot a template you like, go ahead and click it, then drop it right onto your design workspace. Here, where you get to make it your own. Double-click any text to personalize it, swap in your own words, add your Instagram handle, hashtags, or whatever message you want to share with your audience. If you want to change colors to match your brand or mood, just click on the elements and select different colors from Canva's palette. You can swap out photos too. Just click a photo, hit delete if you don't want it, then drag in an image from Canva's built-in library or upload one of your own. And don't worry if things don't look perfect right away. Canva lets you tweak and adjust as much as you need. Think of this like arranging stickers and cutouts on a scrapbook. You can move things around, resize, rotate, and make it fit your vision. Once you're happy with your design, that's it, you've just created a custom Instagram post. Click the download button in the upper right, choose your file type, JPEG or PNG works great for Instagram, and save it to your computer or phone. Then simply upload to your Instagram account and watch those likes start rolling in. And there you have it, a straightforward way to get your own Instagram posts looking polished and professional with almost no hassle. If this helped you out, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy-to-follow design tutorials. Got questions or want to share your creations? Drop a comment below. I always love seeing what you all come up with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.